Hi, need a good caning, eh? Well, you've come to the right place. My name is Richard and I'm the wicker guru, and I know everything there is to do with cane and wicker. I've got grey hair to prove it. I've been doing this for over 25 years and I've done everything there is to do with cane and wicker, from children's chairs to bassinets, balloon baskets, rattan and bentwood chairs, cradles and cots. It's quite a widespread style of furniture that I've restored, and if you look at the pictures after this video clip, you'll see plenty of things coming your way which I'm going to show you how to restore. And a lot of people might say, well, I don't have much out there for restoring in cane and wicker, but believe you me, there's quite a lot of pieces of furniture like rocking chairs that have the rattan in the back which need to be replaced, and you may have children's chairs that is handed down from generations that need to be a little tidying up, maybe binding, simple stuff like that. But I'll show you everything there is to do with repairing cane and wicker furniture. So check out my videos, please subscribe if you can, and that way you get up-to-date videos as they come to hand. And don't forget to spread the word around, because there'll be plenty of other people out there that need a good caning. Okay, take care, see you soon. You need a good caning? Well, you've come to the right place, let me tell you.